Hello everyone, welcome to our beginner conversation course. I'm thrilled to have you here as we embark on this exciting journey together. In this course, we'll focus on practical, everyday situations to help you gain confidence in speaking English. Our course consists of 13 sessions, and here's what you can expect. Session 1, Introductions. We'll kick off by learning how to introduce ourselves. Session 2, At the Doctor. You'll gain essential vocabulary for healthcare visits. Session 3, Buying a shirt. Practice shopping phrases and polite interactions. Session 4, At the market. Learn to ask questions and negotiate prices. Session 5, At the restaurant. Order food confidently and discuss your favorites. Session 6, At the cinema. Talk about movies and plan a fun outing. Session 7, At the hotel. Understand hotel check-ins and requests. Session 8, Friendship. Explore how to make and keep friends. Session 9, Happiness. Share what brings you joy in life. Session 10, Love. Discuss relationships and what love means to you. Session 11, Education. Talk about your learning experiences and goals. Session 12, Crime. Discuss safety and how to handle tricky situations. Session 13, Final Project. Showcase your skills in a creative presentation where you will practice improvisation. All our classes will be held on Zoom, where we'll engage in interactive discussions. Plus, you'll have access to activities on our platform to enhance your vocabulary, reading and writing skills. These interactive activities will help reinforce what you learn in class, making it fun and effective. Let's make this a fantastic learning experience together with Sepa Inglés.